I know it's this week, but now I forgot if it's Wednesday or Friday. Like I said, we're having breaks every night this week. We do have breaks on Tuesday and Thursday this week as well. Yeah, the Prism first off the line baseball, plus we have a Prism hobby box going that night. It'll be a bunch of baseball on Friday. We do have spots available to all those breaks, so if you want to grab more teams, do that now. All right, guys, up next here is this Mosaic three mega box PYT. Again, grab those teams, follow that link in the chat. Let's get started. So we're going to have 10 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. We're going to get those reactive yellow parallels. So guess the last yellow reactive, and we could pull those Genesis. We did pull and there should be 3 silvers per box as well. We did pull a Justin Fields Genesis a while back, maybe the last time we did the yellow reactives. Again, guys, guess the last yellow reactive. Yeah, we'll be getting messages out this week, but yeah, it's going. We already got the schedule figured out for the rest of the week. Oops. There's box number 2. Empty box 2. And our third and final box here to open up. Our next break after this is going to be 21 Don Ross Optic 2 mega box PYT number 3. Grab your spots in that, guys. There's empty box number 3. All right, guys. Guess the last yellow reactive for 20 in credit. Here we go. We have Josh Jacobs, Julio Jones, Tyler Lockett, yellow reactive, Nashawn Wright, and we got a kid reporter card. It's our Lockett yellow, first one of the night. We got Matthew Stafford, and we got the Mosaic touchdown Masters Patrick Mahomes, Peyton Manning yellow, and Zach Cunningham. Tomorrow we have Recon Basketball PYT number 4 going. We have Don Russ Elite first off the line basketball. And if we had enough people available, we'd try to fill a random team break as well. So if you guys want to hop in some breaks tomorrow, we'll be on at 10 p.m. Eastern. It'll be a little bit later on our Tuesday and Thursday streams, but we will be live. Grab your spots in those. There's Patrick Surtain, rookie. Lamar Jackson, green, got game. Rashawn Slater, yellow. There's a Jamar Chase, rookie, and a kid reporter card. Nice little pack there. All right, our next pack. We have Jimmy Garoppolo, Rondell Moore, Aaron Rodgers yellow, Akeem Hicks, DK Metcalf. There's a silver DeAndre Hopkins for the Cardinals. Stephon Gilmore yellow. Jeremiah rookie and kid reporter card. Get these top loaded here. I will start putting a link in the chat, or I guess in the description of these videos, with our weekly schedule and discount codes. So if anybody, watches this after the fact and wants to know what we're going to break the rest of the week, want to grab spots ahead of time, we'll be doing that as well. There's Randy Moss, Trent Dilfer on the Mosaic. Then we have a yellow reactive Mark Andrews and a Larry Johnson. Marcus Allen. Got game Derrick Henry. Yellow reactive rookie Amon-Ra St. Brown. That's a nice one for Detroit. And then Diami Brown rookie. Kid reporter card. Got 3 packs left in box number 1. Leonard Fournette. Green Mosaic, A.J. Brown, touchdown masters. Clayus Campbell, yellow reactive, DeMarcus Lawrence. Again, guys, if there's not a specific break or break night you're looking to buy into, go to jackpotbreakers.com. All our breaks, packs, boxes, everything's 10% off there. You get links to all the different sports. And then you have a code at the top of the page you can use for the discounts. There's John Elway. Mike Evans, touchdown masters. Ryan Fitzpatrick, yellow. Khalil Herbert, rookie. And we got the kid reporter card. Again, guys, grab spots left in the remaining breaks. We do have several spots in every break left. Use the link in the chat. There's a code there for 10% off any of the spots you take tonight. There's Michael Thomas. Yellow reactive, Travis Kelce got game. Yellow reactive, Derek Brown and a Lamar Jackson. Get these top loaded, and we'll move on to box number 2. Again, guys, if you want $20 in break credit as well, guess the last yellow reactive live here in the chat. So far, we've got Mac Jones and Elijah Moore as the guesses. Anybody else watching can guess. You do not have to be in the break to guess that last yellow reactive. So anybody watching can get the guess correctly and get the credit. All right, guys, that does it for box 1. Here's box number 2, pack number 1. We have DJ Chark, Hall of Fame, Tim Brown, Asante Samuel Jr. with yellow reactive, Javon Holland rookie, kid reporter card. George Kittle, Khalil Herbert, silver rookie. Jamie Collins, yellow reactive, Greg Rousseau. We have Travis Kelce, silver Jim Kelly for the Bills, yellow reactive Jalen Darden for Tampa, Kwity Paye. Kid Reporter. We have Adam Thielen, Mosaic Derwin James Jr., Yellow Reactive Jason Taylor, and Allen Robinson. Oops. And our next pack. CeeDee Lamb, Got Game Jalen Hurts, Yellow Reactive Jamal Adams, Kyle Trask. I should say Yellow Mosaic. I don't know if they're reactive. I can't remember. Yeah, Yellow Reactive. All right. We'll get these top loaded. Again, up next is our 21 Donruss Optic Football 2 mega box PYT number 3. There are teams available in that, so make sure that you guys grab your spots in there. That will be the break that's up next. Again, use that link in the chat to take the spots in that Donruss Optic. And we got the Absolute Football 2 mega boxes. We're going to be chasing those kabooms in there. There's spots available in that one. And then our final break of the night is the Gold Standard First Off the Line Mixer with 2 Luminance boxes. That's PYT number 2 of that. Again, there are teams left in there as well, so you can grab your spots with the link in the chat, guys. I want to thank everybody for joining tonight. Make sure if you haven't already, you subscribe to the YouTube page. Make sure you like the video and turn on those notifications so you know when we go live. Because again, this week we will be live Monday through Friday. Tomorrow we will be live a little later than normal, 9 p.m. Central, 10 p.m. Eastern. We do have a couple breaks that we'll be doing tomorrow. And same on Thursday, it'll be 10 p.m. Eastern, but Monday, Wednesday, and Friday we'll be doing it at 8 Eastern. So we will be busy this week breaking. We'll make sure to try to get everything out that you guys break with this week. Try to combine everything and get it out by Saturday. There's Chris Godwin. Touchdown Masters Tom Brady. Luke Kuechly yellow. Tom Brady Super Bowl MVPs for New England. Have J.K. Dobbins. Aaron Rodgers. Marquez Stevenson. Pete Warner rookie. And Kid Reporter card. We have Malcolm Jenkins. Marshall Falk, Hall of Fame. Yellow Reactive Josh Allen. Peyton Manning. Again, guys, if you want to earn 20 in credit, guess the last yellow reactive in this break for 20 in credit, guys. You do not have to be in the break to guess. Throw a guess out there. There's Jeff Okudah. Justin Jefferson got game. Drew Brees yellow reactive. Chuba Hubbard rookie. Kid Reporter card. Last pack of box number 2 here and break number 3, the Mosaic 3 mega box PYT number 7. There's Charles Woodson. A bang Mosaic here for the Saints. Amari Cooper yellow and Justin Herbert. We get this stuff top loaded here, and then we'll move on to box number 3. Get your guesses in, guys. Once we get down to the last 3 or 4 packs, I won't take any more guesses, so guess your last yellow reactive for 20 in credit. Make sure you guys stop by tomorrow as well when we're breaking. Hop in some breaks if you want. If not, we'll probably have some guesses for credit as well. All right, there's the last one to top load from box number 2. We move on to box number 3. Good luck, guys. Jason Taylor, Tyreek Hill, yellow reactive Jerry Rice, Amir Smith Marset, Kid Reporter card. We have Bobby Wagner, Hall of Fame Brian Urlacher, yellow reactive DeForest Buckner, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Josh Allen, the Bang Patrick Mahomes, Diami Brown yellow, Ben Skowronek, Kid Reporter card. Chase Winovich for the Patriots. Touchdown Masters Mosaic Ben Roethlisberger, yellow reactive NFL debut Greg Rousseau, Emmitt Smith. Our next pack has Jalen Waddle rookie. We have Hall of Fame Andre Reed, Justin Jefferson yellow, Dio rookie, and a Kid Reporter card. We'll get these all top loaded here. Then we'll move on to the second part of the break. Again, guys, guess that last yellow reactive. After I get these top loaded, I won't take any more guesses since we're down to our last few packs. Again, guys, grab your spots in the remaining breaks as well. 3 more breaks tonight. We got the Optic Football, the Absolute Football, and the standard Gold Standard Luminance mix. Got a Justin Fields guess there. Thanks for popping in. Hopefully one of you guys with the guesses can hit this. The last couple cards here to top load, then we'll finish off this. Looks like Justin Fields will be the last guess we get in here, guys. We'll do a recap after this break too before we move into Optic. Here we go, guys. Our last half of this break. John Riggins. There's a silver Joe Tryon Soyanka. Yellow Nick Chubb, Trent Dilfer. We have Kirk Cousins. Silver Jalen Reagor. Yellow Khalil Herbert rookie. Javonte Williams rookie. Kid Reporter card. Curtis Martin. Taysom Hill. Allen Robinson yellow. Aaron Rodgers. 2 packs left, guys. We have Ray Lewis, Will to Win Bo Jackson, Mike Evans yellow, Sam Ellinger rookie. Right now, Mike Evans is our last yellow. We should have a yellow in this pack, I believe. Here we go. We do. Austin Eckler. And we have Christian McCaffrey in the back. Travis Kelce Green got game. And it is DeAndre Hopkins. If we have anybody guess Hopkins, it doesn't look like. Hopkins was our guess for the last yellow. DeAndre Hopkins. All right, I'm going to get these top loaded. We'll do our recap, and then we'll move on to the Optic. 2 mega box. Donruss Optic is up next after this recap. I've got a few more cards here I'm going to top load. Again, guys, if you want to grab any other teams left, make sure you follow that link in the chat. Make sure you like the video if you haven't already. All right, guys. We'll do our quick recap here. I'll do We got the silver Tryon. We got the yellow Chubb, Rieger, Herbert, Hill, Robinson, Evans, Kelsey, Hopkins, Jerry Rice, Buckner, Diami Brown, Roethlisberger, Rousseau, Andre Reed, Justin Jefferson, Brady, Kuechly, Stevenson, Josh Allen, Drew Brees. We had the Alvin Kamara Bang, Amari Cooper, Tim Brown, Samuel Jr., Herbert, Jamie Collins, excuse me, Jim Kelly, Jalen Darden, Derwin James, Jason Taylor, Jamal Adams, Trent Dilfer, Mark Andrews, Amon-Ra St. Brown Yellow, A.J. Brown Green Touchdown Masters, Calais Campbell, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Travis Kelce, Derek Brown, Rondell Moore, Aaron Rodgers, DeAndre Hopkins Silver, Stephon Gilmore, Green Lamar Jackson, Slater, Jamar Chase Rookie, Patrick Mahomes, Peyton Manning, and Tyler Lockett. All right, that does it for this one. Up next is our Optic 2 mega box.